Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best HVAC flaring tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any HVAC technician or DIY enthusiast looking to create perfect, leak-free connections for refrigeration and air conditioning systems, ensuring the integrity and efficiency of the entire system. This tool is designed to precisely shape the end of a copper or aluminum tube, creating a flare that will be compressed against another fitting, and a high-quality flaring tool can make the difference between a job done right and a costly, time-consuming leak repair. We're diving deep into what makes a flaring tool stand out, so you can make an informed decision for your next project. Number 5. Thorstone 45° Single Flare and Swage Tool Kit. This professional tool kit is designed to work with a wide range of materials including copper, aluminum, and soft steel brake lines. It's perfect for HVAC, refrigeration, automotive brake systems, and plumbing applications, but please note it's not suitable for hardened metals like steel or iron. This kit is specifically engineered to create accurate 45° single flares and swage connections. It is not designed for double or bubble flares, so ensure it's the right tool for your standard single flare needs. Built with heat-treated steel for the flaring bar and cone, it offers exceptional strength and longevity. The chrome swivel is made from alloy steel to minimize friction, ensuring smooth operation. The unique eccentric cone design ensures a gradual and accurate 45° flare without slipping. This prevents tube damage and results in a smooth, uniform flare face every time. This comprehensive package includes a flaring cone, multiple flaring bars, a tube cutter, swaging adapters, and a ratchet wrench. Everything is conveniently stored in a durable case for easy transport and organization. What we like. This kit offers extensive material compatibility, working with a wide range of metals. It's designed for precise 45° single flares and swages. If you're looking for a durable and versatile tool for various HVAC, automotive, and plumbing applications, this is a solid choice. What people say. The flaring tool is well made and durable. It creates clean and consistent flares. The design allows for easy operation and precise results. Number 4. NAVAC NEF6LM BreakFree Power Flaring Tool. Get the job done efficiently with this power flaring tool. It features a battery indicator and flashlight, completing flares in just 15 seconds. A lanyard is also included for drop protection. Enjoy the freedom of a cordless design, as no external power supply is needed. It comes with a high-performance rechargeable lithium battery and charger. A quick 30-minute charge provides over 100 flares. We designed this tool for quick and simple operation. It can be easily used with just one hand and one button, eliminating the need for extra tools or assistance. Achieve accurate and consistent flares in 5 different sizes with the included ready-to-use clamps. The 45° flare cone and included flare gauge ensure leak-free connections. NAVAC is dedicated to advancing the HVAC industry with innovative technology. Our reliable and durable products empower professionals to work smarter and more effectively. What we like. Experience true freedom with its cordless design and a rechargeable lithium battery that provides over 100 flares per charge. It can complete a quick and accurate flare in just 15 seconds. If you value speed, convenience, and working without the hassle of power cords, this is the tool for you. What people say. This flaring tool is very easy to use and creates perfect flares every time. The durable construction ensures this tool will last for years to come. It comes with a variety of adapters for different tubing sizes, making it versatile. Number 3. Superstars 5-in-1 Flaring Tool Kit. Introducing the Superstars Flaring Tool Kit, designed for smooth and easy flaring. Its large feed screw handle ensures minimal effort for perfect 45° single flares every time. Achieve accuracy with its precise locating system. The combination of a steel bar and embedded holes ensures perfect alignment before you start flaring. This tool comes with 2 sets of clamps, covering both inch and metric sizes. It's ideal for soft copper, brass, aluminum, and mild steel tubing, including our 410A flares. Constructed from robust steel and chrome-plated, it's built to withstand rugged jobs. Experience precision craftsmanship that guarantees quality. This comprehensive kit includes the flaring tool, metric and inch clamps, a cutter, and a deburr tool. It's a dependable and economical choice for refrigeration and HVAC applications. What we like. This tool features a large feed screw handle for smooth, effortless flaring and precise locating capabilities. It comes with both metric and inch clamps, making it suitable for a wide range of tubing sizes. If you need a reliable and economical option for refrigeration and HVAC work, this all-in-one kit is a great pick. What people say. This flaring tool is a game-changer for HVAC work, making precise flares with ease. The durable construction ensures longevity, and the ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip during use. It handles various tubing sizes effectively, delivering clean and consistent flares every time. Number 2. HVAC Flaring Tool Kit 5PCS Set. Introducing our comprehensive 5-piece HVAC flaring toolkit, designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This set provides everything you need for precise and reliable pipe flaring. It handles a wide range of tube sizes, from 1 4-foot to 3 4 and 6 mm to 19 mm, making it suitable for various applications in HVAC, refrigeration, and electrical work. The 45 degrees eccentric cone design ensures smooth, high-quality flares without leaks. Its unique guide plate and clutch mechanism simplify the flaring process for perfect results every time. Crafted with a durable aluminum alloy handle, this tool is built to last. The included cutter, deburr, and convenient storage case make it easy to keep organized and transport. Each kit undergoes rigorous inspection, including a test flare, ensuring you receive a high-quality, ready-to-use tool for your projects. What we like. Its eccentric cone design ensures smooth, quality flares without leaks, and the unique clutch mechanism prevents overflaring. This comprehensive set includes a pipe cutter and deburring tool for a complete job. If you're looking for a user-friendly manual tool that guarantees perfect flares every time, this is an excellent option. What people say. This flaring tool is a great addition to my toolbox. It works very well and makes perfect flares. The design of this tool is very user-friendly, making it easy to create clean and consistent flares. I was impressed with the durability of this flaring tool. It feels solid and well-made, ready for heavy use. Number 1. Uniweld UDFT R410A Ratchet Plus Clutch Flaring Tool. Introducing the Uniweld UDFT, engineered for R410A flaring specifications. It creates perfect 45 degrees flares with ease. Its internal clutch disengages automatically once the flare is complete. This prevents overflaring and protects your copper tubing. Achieve a perfect R410A flare every time with the automatic tube stop height gauge. You get consistent results with minimal effort. A reversible ratchet wrench is included for manual flaring in tight spaces. You can also use a cordless drill for faster operation. The eccentric cone creates a perfectly uniform 45 degrees flare with a smooth, burnished surface. It spins on its own axis for precision. It features self-centering clamping dies that accommodate 8 different tube sizes, from 1/8 to 3/4 inch outside diameter. What we like. This tool is specifically designed for our R410A specifications and all 45-degree flares, featuring an internal clutch to prevent overflaring. It offers both manual operation with a ratchet wrench and the option to use a cordless drill for faster flaring. If you're working with R410A systems and want the flexibility of manual or powered flaring, this tool is ideal. What people say. The flaring tool is well made and durable, with a sturdy construction that ensures longevity. It produces clean and precise flares, which are essential for leak-free connections. The design allows for easy operation, even for beginners, making the flaring process straightforward. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.